I wonder when the youth are going to change. A be a madness, the brother are going with, you know.
Alright. We could talk about some serious thing, you know, my dog. So, you know, so we get a one link down in our country there.
What kind of link you talk about? Eh? Chain link, food link, star link.
Bar link. Or is a new link? I need to get you about now, the boy.
See what I go on the ground now, you know. So, we can't play fool to what I go on, you know, brother.
We just how I go on. Cause look like you know more with.
Bad man. See, program here and Butcher go run what they are with Miss Brissett them. Reach back Teflon, you hear that?
In real life. What do you say to Miss Bissett them now? Come like them, make out your notice.
Make me out, brother. You see how me did just? I'm more for you than make out.
Why I mean I know who make out who bad man. But all me can tell you no two sisters soon, you see me? One of them I'm a bartender, you hear that?
Bartender. So you're a bartender from 21?
She no live there again. Over there she do her here, you see me? Over there she come from.
So where them say Teflon I say?
You must say it look like a program run pan in ground, you see me? So you must ask her who involved. So you must go around and I check a whole like different community them though.
That don't make no sense. Walk around. Because if two sisters sue, you have to get the information already.
That me I say. I remember me call a peace meeting with Teflon. So them have my number. Them would have reached out to me already.
Oh, I told them the man they stay still in a bro. I tell you the truth, you know, I feel like him a go want make no contact to find out what go on, you know. Them man them more for want make move and do things, you hear that?
So I saw that thing the drop in now, the link thing the way I talk about. So you think it that deep, brother?
It make I come like you not see what go on, brother. But man, we don't tell ourselves say we are walking straight and narrow road, you know, we can't make nothing make we fall off, you know, bad bro. You know, see, say one eye dog, top dog, then get dig off.
Over as we are saying vicious. Can't run the risk there again, brother. Can't go back the road there.
Pastor, you're turning out something I expect no better from you, you know, bad man.
So yeah, I say. So jump in a rental with you. Go down a country, go collect something. And carry them, come pack them up over bush and hide them off. That not sound familiar to you? That not sound like something where we get in a trouble for already.
Yeah, lima man. So we are trying to say a butcher you follow now. Where you say you turn brother it is. Eh?
Vicious. Come like you make one step forward and 5 steps back.
So we are trying to say. If you just sit down here so to the day you're in a Jamaica and wait for Teflon then take 10 steps forward towards we.
So hold on, now what you want to do? Make one mountain out of one molehill. In Teflon, they tell us you want war. You want go a country, go strap up like the army and arms up for. Yeah?
So where you get the info there from? Are you bartender tell you what go on?
Yeah. You know, so over here I talk on our phone do. Me and whisper the over on the block what the here. Me here I talk about the Teflon and say why I go start car. A little program run over in place for the year, you see me? One bug talk me here up on our phone, pressure, all and then pain business the bad man.
So to hear like a bartender talk about a war, that means it go start. What kind of link she have with Teflon them and over there?
She not a link with Teflon bad man. But you don't know how over there she did live. And over there she still do her here. But anything for kick off and I get up before it start, a woman and pick me a year with that.
Don't damage all of this Sunday one, brother. Anybody see over there, so I run a program. It will reach back Teflon, yes.
Yeah, but that not means it go start war. You can chat to Teflon. Make him know say a beer imported the man a bring in a place and I go on with one bag of ray. Remember I see him shaky thing while you call me, you know.
Bad man. Like principle, bro. Him now go feel good for know say program run over in place and no man no get to him after a peace meeting call.
That no mean to we have to go a country go stock up with food and them thing there, brother. You can't call chop all in and them whole heap of rainfall.
I no
You
like
can't
that
carry
me I
even
show
two
you.
board and them thing there, yeah, man.
You know, hear me I tell you earlier, say that's why I go get the rental bad man. See all Miss Brissette there, you can help you. Bring down all the
Yeah,
chop
me.
all in. Me can bring you food them and thing, you know, bro. Yeah, man. Remember the man.
Down there to allow Miss Bissett.
Miss Bissett, go on.
Gentlemen,
Manners.
Bless up.
Yeah,
like the discussion.
Yeah, you know.
Mm.
Yeah,
Real,
I want to get
reason.
something up and running, man.
Want to rebuild the country back, is it?
Yeah.
Understand.
People
Yeah,
them
man.
a feel, you know, man. Wicked down there.
But me I tell you, but me want ball on the time, you know. Me can't. Yo, me feel it for them.
Yo,
Activist-
man, got country and even bring we, you know.
So they
Go on,
say
you
make
go
a
on
country
to,
run
man.
already?
And you even bring we.
The sheriff family them, yeah. And that's why we get to rental. Oh, we want to go back to, you know. We want to go back. I'm glad that they are extra on that, man. Nothing wrong.
So all the family them
You
must
like.
be asking to.
Yeah? I will go down, they go knock up 2 things, man. So then kind of.
You know, you have to carry a whole heap of manpower when you go down at them. Not do it again, man.
Tell you, we could go back now, no brother. You see extra on there, we get vehicle.
So
Gentlemen, no go fun.
Yeah, we're there.
There,
Man.
man.
I want to tell you, say we go down there go play our part too, you know. And boy, Vish, may I tell you, the same way how you feel, the same way how we did feel. We feel like we did one ball too.
Yo, we can't take you out.
We know how you feel, man, brother. We know how you feel. Yo. Man, so extra, man. We know how you feel. What are we a feel it? All I see it, man. Don't fall back and see it. Yeah. Just relax, man. Take it easy, my boy.
I'm family them, you know. I'm also we have people. All of we have family, brother. All of we have family, you know that. Just remember that one family, all of we have family, brother.
Boy, Vish, me understand. I really never know say how you did feel about it, star. She mess we up still, but we'll come back strong. Boy, that girl Melissa. Anyway, gentlemen, we really sorry for, you know, disturbing and reasoning with seasoning, but we need to talk to him about something very pressing. And it a trouble me.
And Miss Brissette, where's your foot, man? So, you have to welcome you now. What you say? What's your next assignment for me?